Did you know what the most prestigious female profession in North Korea is? Traffic controllers. They've become some of the most recognizable symbols of the country. Their images adorn postage stamps, postcards, and various souvenirs, making them part of the country's cultural image. But not every woman can take on this role. Candidates undergo rigorous selection, where one of the key criteria is their physical attractiveness. It's kind of like a beauty pageant. This job is not only valued, but also carries a certain prestige. In 2013, one of Pyongyang's traffic controllers was even awarded for her contribution to road safety in the capital. Her actions even helped prevent an attempt on Kim Jong-un himself. And this incident only added to her fame and respect. But rumors abound that Kim Jong-un awarded this honor to his mistress. What intrigue! In 2021, the authorities of North Korea introduced a new measure regarding global hairstyle trends, officially banning the mullet haircut. This decision received extensive coverage in local media, portrayed as a step to maintain cultural norms and aesthetic standards of the country, as it's believed that one's appearance, including hairstyles, reflects the societal values and national identity. Thus, according to the authorities, unkempt hairstyles like the mullet could negatively impact citizens' image. Now, women have a choice of only 15 hairstyles, which have passed state inspection and meet the highest beauty standards. High heels, miniskirts, trendy ripped jeans, and off-shoulder blouses, these wardrobe items are an integral part of women's fashion arsenal worldwide, but not in North Korea. Here, women are required to adhere to a more conservative style, opting for strict suits and longer skirts, colored in calm or dark tones. However, there's an exception to the rules. Traditional festive dresses adorned with hand embroidery, which become a bright spot in North Korean women's attire. They wear these dresses for special occasions, such as national holidays or performances, to pay tribute to their country's culture and history. In North Korea, special attention is given to preserving traditional values and resisting Western cultural influence. To support these efforts, the so-called fashion police was created, patrolling groups aimed at enforcing strict dress and appearance codes. The main mission of these activists is to supervise compliance with the dress code, especially among women in major cities, ensuring adherence to established norms and avoiding elements considered alien to traditional North Korean style. Makeup is also under control, with women facing real fines for excessively bright and provocative makeup. But honestly, many women simply don't have the time to dedicate to it. The life of a North Korean woman begins early in the morning at 6 o'clock, when they have to get up and wash with heated water, as hot water and electricity are provided only on a certain schedule. Breakfast is usually modest, corn porridge with plain yogurt, and there's simply no time for lengthy morning rituals and makeup, as it's important to head to work early due to unreliable public transportation. The workday starts at 8 o'clock, but you need to arrive at work by 7:30 to attend briefings and get the latest news from state media. After work, participation in lectures propagating the state ideology and achievements of the country is expected. Rest is only provided on Sundays, but even on this day, relaxation is not always possible, as state holidays often coincide with leaders' birthdays, requiring visits to monuments and participation in official events. Thus, the life of women in North Korea is strictly regulated and filled with numerous responsibilities both at work and in public life. Patriarchal attitudes dominate here, according to which women should obey their husbands and take responsibility for the family's welfare, especially in cases where the man cannot provide for the family for some reason. To support their families, Korean women must take on any job, including those involving high risks. One of the most common sources of income for women in North Korea is the smuggling of foreign goods. Despite its illegal status, this activity often enjoys the support of corrupt officials, to whom women give a portion of their earnings as bribes. According to unofficial data, most of the business in the country is conducted outside the law. Unfortunately, working in the smuggling sphere exposes women to additional risks and humiliations. Border services, upon discovering contraband goods, can subject women to intrusive searches and sometimes even offer to settle situations through certain services. And I want to remind you that those who haven't signed up are left without facts. In the land of Juche ideology, early marriages are not encouraged, with age limits set for entering into marriage, 25 years for women and 27 years for men. The wedding ceremony takes place at the City Hall, where the newlyweds appear in festive attire. After the official part, it is traditionally followed by a visit to the Kim Il-sung monument to lay flowers, and then the newlyweds go to the park for a photo session. Weddings in North Korea are celebrated while observing ancient traditions, remaining modest and restrained in accordance with the general rules of modesty and moderation in the country. In addition, there is a tradition whereby married women are expected to have shorter hair than before marriage, symbolizing a change in their social status and emphasizing their new role in society. And what does the ideal man for a Korean woman look like? For guys, there are also strict rules regarding their appearance, especially regarding hairstyles and facial hair. Long hair on men can cause trouble, and the question of a beard remains controversial. If a beard is allowed, it should be neatly trimmed and groomed, which can be difficult due to the characteristics of Asian hair. Furthermore, although North Korea aims to eliminate caste differences, there are still unofficial rules in society based on origin and social status. For example, it may be difficult for a man from a humble family to marry a woman from a high-ranking family, underscoring the continuing importance of social background in North Korean society. And if you ask me, how attractive are American men to North Korean women? The answer is categorically not at all. North Korean women are motivated only to marry within North Korea, and with an American man, they would simply be fulfilling an order from above. And that's a wrap, folks. If you're intrigued by this topic, be sure to subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, and stay tuned for all the latest updates. Thank you for watching.